because Mike has been missing. Can you come in, please? First of all, for me to come here, I always come to Zambia. There's all these gentlemen we meet. I always come to see them. Last time I come to Zambia, I just came to see these guys and their teams. Okay, I used to say these are their coaches. Okay, I respect them. I play some of them. I played with them when I was back home, and that's why I came here. But for this school, for me to come and test on this school, is because of me. Okay, so that's why I need to know. I need to thank him for. I need to thank him for him to introduce him to you. So can you give me 5 guys? Okay, sorry, I don't have time. I don't want to take time for you guys. My name is Tendai Simbai. It's a Zimbabwean name. It's an African name. I grew up in Africa. I told you my story. You are lucky. I see you guys. How lucky you are. You are beautiful. You were smart. How lucky you are. When I grow up in Africa, guys, I hate people when I'm talking, guys. Let me tell you something. When I'm talking, guys, I'm not here for joke. I'm not here for fun. Okay? I'm not here for joke. I'm not here for modeling. I'm here to talk to you, my brothers and my sisters, to tell you what is life like. When I grew up, guys, I was in Africa. My mother had 7 children. 7 children. We live in 2 rooms. 2 rooms. My father used to pay me to go to school. My mother used to struggle to go to check fresh water for me to go to school. Sometimes, you go to school, they send me back because I didn't pay school fees. I didn't pay school fees. I used to go to school with, you know, when you have holes in your back, what do you call this in Zambia? In my country, say Chikamba. And don't laugh. That time I wasn't laughing. You know what I mean? I used to go to school with Chikamba. But, listen guys. Even you are smart. Wearing smart is not you, it's your parents. Don't smile with me. It's not you, it's your parents. I used to go to school without shoes, but I was happy because I'm going to school. What makes me going is not, I'm not poor. My parents are poor, not me. You guys, some of you wear smart things, you're lucky. If you don't have anything, don't be embarrassing. Because it's not you, it's your parents. You get my point? Yes. Don't get embarrassing. You don't have sneakers, you don't have cat. It's not you, it's your parents. So why should you embarrass me? Don't show me a phone, you guys. A smartphone, show to you, it's your parents. Don't have money to buy it. Don't show me your school uniform, it's not you. So let me tell you something. When I was going to school, I didn't have anything. Keep on going. And unfortunately, you guys, who is 14 here? 14 years. Come here. Don't laugh. What size of shoe you wear? 8. She wears 8. When I was 14, I started to wear size 12, size 13, which means it's so difficult to find in Zimbabwe. And it was so expensive. My father didn't afford it. So what we do? I had a farmer shoe. You know the farmer shoe? Then you have a tie. You know the tie? When you do the car tie. You cut a tie. They cut a tie for me to have a sole, a shoe, to go to school. And I started to love basketball. I need sport. Let me tell you something. Sports and school, they're just the same. Anyone tells you or your father told you sport is nothing, tell you. Tendai told me they all go the same. Okay? In school, let me tell you something. In school, we have 40 people in school. 40. I was number 38. 38 out of 40 every day, every time. But I still calling, I still need to go. I still need to go because I want to go to school. School is very important. If you have a chance to play sport, go ahead. I'm trying to show show this because guys, you don't have time. But whoever take what I'm saying to you guys, take. I started going to school with no shoes, with that tie my mother made. My father made a tie for me to fit. Because they didn't have money. They have money for putting the money on the food for us to eat. Not money to put on the shoes because they are too expensive. Do you understand? You guys, you have fathers, you have mothers that give you money and to go to school and you go to school to talk. What are you talking about? Talking about Facebook, you don't even buy. Talking about WhatsApp, you don't even know who you invest at. It's up to the school. I go to school, I started to go to school, but my aim, I said to myself, my father is poor, but I don't want to be poor. My father is poor, I don't want to be poor. You get my point? Your father doesn't have, your father drinks. Your father smokes, but you don't want to smoke. Your mother, everyone talk to her, she laughs at her. Your mother, she doesn't new clothes. Oh, look, she stinks. It's your mother. It's your father. Love him. We don't choose our parents. You understand? It's my parent. Don't try to embarrass your parents to come to see you and you think, it's not my parent. Even her, that's my mom. No matter she doesn't have shoes, she's your mom. She loves you. Because I was proud, because I want to play basketball, but this is not me, it's my father's problem. So I'm not embarrassing him. Who is embarrassing is my father, it's not me. You know, I said, I want basketball, I want to play basketball. Then I said, can you shoot? Then I said, yes. I'm okay. Anyway, problem. We start our training 2 o'clock, then we start. Training sessions 2. Do you know what time I come to the court every day? 12:30 I was there. 12:30. Think about that, I was there. And I don't have a basketball. I used to make my own plastic. Do you know plastic? You make ball. I don't have a basketball because my father couldn't. Do you think I can ask my father, can I have a basketball? He cannot be shoot my shoe. He kill me. So I have a basketball. I make my own shoe. I make my own thing. What I used, I was too, you know what I mean? I was also clever. I'm African person. I was clever. I put, milk. You know when you do milk, okay? I used to pump them. Then I put on I pump with my air. Then I put the milk about 5 on the plastic with air, okay? So when I tight on there, that pounds. Do you know what I mean? So I have my own ball, plastic ball, in a court with a trainer, with tight trainer. I start to shoot. These guys, they come with me with their balls, you know? Their balls, you know? Listen, they come, these kids, they come with their balls. But it's not them, it's their what? Their parents. Me, I said, it's my ball, I make it. I start to shoot. Then they asked me, the coach come to me, coach, what time did you come here? 12:30. I said, well, okay. Okay, fine. All these guys, they think they are good. Something you come 2:30, 3:30. Then I didn't know how to shoot basketball, but I love to shoot basketball. I said to the coach, can you teach me? The coach said, I'll teach you. I said, no, I'm busy. Tomorrow I said, I'm coming early if you don't teach me. So I'll come early, they start to teach me. I start to shoot. I start to improve. Those guys, they were late. I start to improve. Everyone started to talk about me. There's a guy with a farmer shoe, he scores 3 points sometimes, he scores 5 points. But it's me, you know. So the idea I'm telling you, keep on going. From there, we don't have time, guys. I'm doing this in shortcut so that you can go wherever you go. But what I'm saying to you, please put in your pocket. Now, from there, what I done, do you know what I done from there? I start to play. And then all teams, they start to like me. We want this. We want this guy. We want this guy. Then the big teams, they started to come to me. They said, oh. Then I went to my father. I said to my father, I want to play basketball for the school first. Okay? And I said, Father, okay. Then you know what I done? My coach said, Coach, go and talk to my father. I said that you want me. My coach went to talk to my father. He said to my father, okay, can I take your kids? But I'll pay him the transport from where he come from today. My father said, what about school? Then I said, Father, I will do the same both. Remember, I always number 30 out of 40. Remember that, you know what I mean? But on number 8 out of 35, I was doing all my homework. My teachers, they give me my homework, I do it. Although I was not good, but I finished my homework. Here's my teacher, my homework. So the teacher, he knows I'm doing my homework, but I'm not good. Okay? He gives me the math. I'll do the math. Although I am not good, I'll finish it. Do you know what I mean? So there's no complaint to my father. I'm doing my job, my father's doing my job. So I started to play, okay? And I'm shooting this thing. I started to play my teams, I started to represent my company. Then, now here's the big thing. I used to pray to God, God, please, can you help me? I want a shoe in my life. Please, God, can you help me? Other kids, they're with Christmas. You know Christmas, guys, Christmas. Some people, they're wearing this. Me, I'm just wearing the tie. Do you know why am I proud for myself? It's my father. It's my father. I'm doing my job with my father. One day, this guy said to me, son, there's a team in England we're looking for, but you guys, you can do it. And I said, England. That time when I was in Africa, if he told me who is going to go to England, I'll show those people there. Not me. Do you know what I mean? I couldn't think I could go to England for playing basketball. Who I am? I grow in the ghetto. My mother doesn't have money. My father doesn't have money. Doesn't know any minister. My father doesn't know anyone. He just know how to go to work and get money and come to home. My father woman, she know how to cook for us, for father. So who am I to go to England? If at that time, and someone asked me, when people are going to England, they say, oh, can you ask those people there? Those people there. Not me. So one day, and there's also these things that used to hate me in my life. It hate me. Okay? When I grow up, you guys were lucky. We didn't have television in my life because my father was poor. We have a black and white television. Do you know black and white television? On the next door. So what I used to do, we used to saw like this. If Pastor playing or any sport, like this. Hey, 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 hey. You know, like jump, you know. Then we used to go to, can I watch your TV? They say, okay, if you want to watch the TV, you can't help our job outside there, then you watch the TV. Yes, I can do it. I was the one who said I can do it. I go to clean the house, clean it, you know, then I can sit like this, watching the television, somebody's house like this. You know what I mean? Because it's not your house. After I say, thank you, miss, thank you, I'm going home. Okay, come tomorrow. They know they have someone to wait for in the house. Then they can watch TV. So you guys can watch TV every day. How lucky you are. I used to watch black and white. Small like this. Okay. Then from there, as I came to England, I'm showing this. It's the wrong side, but we are doing here. Okay, it's me. I go to England now. At the first time, a guy from Africa with his bird is coming to England, right on the airport like this. What's your name? Tendai Simbari. Where from Africa? I said, okay, what do you come from here? They told me to say, come and try basketball. Okay, come here. Thank you. But what surprised me? God is big. What surprised me? God is big. Okay. Before I go anywhere, remember, I was playing for God. God, I just wanted shoe to go to school. Remember that. Before I go, I was playing for what? For shoe. So I went there. Because, listen, these people, they see me with the fact. Because now, I upgrade myself now. I have a super. Do you know a super? You guys, I think your teachers know what a super pot is. A super pot, right? It's like a tenderfoot. You know what I mean? There's a tenderfoot that time. It was a tenderfoot. So I come to England now with a tenderfoot. I come with England. I just with my bag. My bag. Listen, I only. Do you know what is my bag there? I have only three clothes. My best clothes. My best. Do you know my best clothes? My best clothes. Some holes here. That's my best clothes. But I was not proud. I was proud for myself. My father. I'm telling you this. Keep on driving my chain. I'm telling my chain what I'm doing. So when I was there in England, white guys decided to meet me. But the problem is that, listen, I'm coming from Africa. Come here. Come here. This is the white guys coming to meet me. I must say, how are you? I'm fine. They say, what do you eat? I say, we eat African food. We eat sata, fufu. You know, that's I love it. And the first day when they took me, they give me this food, chicken. Do you know chicken? Chicken. When I grow up in my family, I didn't take that at all. My father and my mother, we used to eat chicken on birthdays and Christmas. It's me. You are eating every day. How lucky you are. Chicken and rice in Christmas. And my mom, she used to cook chicken. We eat 2 days to 7 days. I don't know how she do it. Chicken, we eat one chicken. We eat 7 of us for 2 days, including visitors. Everyone's eating chicken, know what I mean? You know, by himself. Then I just eat, you know what I mean? Eat half. I'm thinking like, can I just bake home? You know, I'm coming from Africa, and they give me half chicken like that. This in legs, mine, myself. You know what I say? I say, nice. You know, I started to eat, but the way I was eating chicken is different from them. I was respecting that. I eat the bones like a bone. You know, because I'm coming from Africa. I'm coming from Africa. Remember this. These guys have a fucking knife. So I finish my food, I finish my food. And these guys, they say you finish the food, I look on this plate. I feel like, come on. In my village, 5 people, they can eat this. And they are putting in a bin. Do you know what I mean? Anyway, I'm keeping on, okay? I'm there, everyone started to laugh me, okay? I started to play. Because I was having this, listen, I go to England. England, we are just playing for basketball only. I'm no longer going to help my mom to do work after school. I'm no longer going to work and come back here to sports. I was playing basketball only. And these people that are complaining, they say, come on, I'm paid to play basketball. Wow. So we had to go to training at 8. I was there 6. Everyone said, let's go on. I'm shooting. I end up the same man I have MVP. And the old radio television, the guy come from Africa is the one, number 1. They interview me, I said, it's me. Oh, they come and they want to sponsor me. Oh, here's the shoes. I have 3 shoes, 4 shoes, 5 shoes, 6 shoes. I said, it's for me. But the problem that if I left my shoe, no one can even wear it because it's for me. No one wears a 20. No one wears a 20 there. It's for me. Okay. Anyway, don't talk, guys. You talk. Listen, when I'm talking, listen. When you talk, when I'm from here. This time is I'm talking my life in 30 minutes. So check what I'm talking for you guys, for not for me. So when I go to basketball, we have a shed, we have a training shed. So after we train, I go to changing room. I see some clothes, clothes. People say, it stinks, put it there. I ask them, what's that? And no, it stinks. My God. I run. I put in plastics. And the guys put everything in stinks in plastic. I go to wash. And the first thing I put, my school I went back home, I make sure those schools, they must have uniform, everyone. Play basketball uniform. I send those to my school. And they will play basketball uniform from my bed to Zimbabwe. You know what I mean? So I start to collect. If they say this shoe is worn, do you know what they do? They have a shoe. And if another man comes, I can't wear this, expire. Shoe expire. I just give it to me. I'll take my home area to Africa. So I didn't embarrassing then. I said to take things to Africa. Take things to Africa. Every time that's why you see me coming back to Africa. I used to go to my country every day, every time, my Zimbabwe. So my question is that, if I keep going to Zimbabwe only, there's no different those ministers, there's no different those guys, they have the scholarship. Instead of giving the right people, they give their kids. Do you understand? When I was there myself, there's the scholarship come to say we need people who play basketball. Do you know who goes? People who need to play basketball. Because it's just a scholarship. So I want you guys to take this. Okay? Okay, do you understand what I'm trying? Okay. So when I'm done, I always come to Africa to bring things. But the reason I always come to Africa to do this is not to, I need to show you guys. If I can do it, you can do it. If I can make it, I was number 38 in class out of 40. Now I'm an engineer. I'm an engineer of my own company. No, not in Africa, in England. They call me. Number 38 out of 40. and England. They don't know how to fix. I fix for them. Number 13 in class. And I fix their basketball small trophies. Okay? Right now, if you have time to go to, if you have the time to go to your house, say, you Google 10 nice Simbai. You read what I do. 10 nice Simbai. Okay? So now my question, my real why I'm here. You guys, I have 3 rules in my life. 3 rules. If you listen to your parents, okay? If you listen to your teachers, if you listen to your coaches, don't smoke, don't drink. Don't smoke, don't drink. You can make it. That's my language. Okay? I was not even good in writing science. They teach me. But I work hard, I'm an engineer. I saw hydraulics. I saw electronics. You work. I was not good in computer. I grew up with computer like you. Who is not computer? Now, anything computer, you will program. You program. Because you work hard. Do you understand? Okay? Never, ever, 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 ever let someone tell you cannot make it. Do you understand? Don't ever, ever, ever say someone can you are not good. Do you understand? You go to your headmaster, your teacher, your player. But now that's the question now. Some of you are gonna make it. Some of you are gonna make money. That's the thing. Then you go to England. That's the question now. We go to America. We go to Canada. Do you know what's gonna happen? You come with a bling watch, with a car. Boom, boom, boom. Come on, guys. What's that? Tell me what's that? Instead to come now to your where you grow up, you help people where you come from. And they know what is God do for you. Do you understand? And you even change names, guys. If you go to England, you guys, you are going to England. You are going to Canada. You change names. What's your name? I told you what, my mom is coming from Africa. Tenrini. You even change how you eat. Why? You African, you're African. Proud to who you are. Okay, do you understand? Don't ever change when you come in. When you do it, come and help those people that didn't make it. From now upwards, when I come sometimes, I need this teacher to tell me to change your life. Okay? So everyone today, if you want to be introduced to basketball, you come have an introduction for basketball. You want to go. Doesn't matter you never play in your life. I didn't play for my life. Doesn't matter they tell you you're short in your life. Doesn't mean you told you to play basketball. Who told you that? No. Basketball is a teamwork. Do you understand? It's a teamwork. I'm taller than Michael Jordan. I'm taller than all the NBA players. But they're making money than me. Okay? Basketball doesn't mean to be told to play basketball. Basketball doesn't mean to be short not to play basketball. Everyone can play basketball. But it's a teamwork. What you need a teamwork? Are you disciplined? Can you listen? Can you do it? Can you take it? Any coach needs someone who listens. Okay? If you say come at 2, don't come at 2. Come on, +1. You'll be there. You're sitting there. What I do? I'm waiting for my coach to come. Yes. So if you want to know about basketball, okay? Come, I'll show you today. That's the last time I'm going to show you. And that's the last time with me. So I introduce you this for basketball. You come. Doesn't matter never play in your life. And another thing. Don't tell me you don't have shoes. You come without shoes when I was playing but without shoes, okay? Don't tell me I don't have trainers. Come without trainers. I know how to feel. You guys will look smart. Man, if I saw you my days, I couldn't play with you. I ran because you're too smart for me. I ran. If I saw you my days, guys, I saw you looking back like this, I looked again, go. But you're not my class. You're too much. So you are like, you're the luckiest one, guys. There are some kids that go to school not eating. There are some kids that go to school thinking, when are they going to eat? They don't know. It's tomorrow or the other day. You eat tomorrow. And some of you, if I heard that the African kid complain about food at home, I'll be mad. Every time you complain the food, you see my face say, we're running. Don't ever complain. If your mother gives you what you have, that's what you give your family. That's what you have. If your mother gives you salt, that's what you have. Don't complain. Don't compare your father and another father. I need to compare you with another person because of how you're going to do. You understand? Don't compare your mother. Your mother drives. Your father drives the car. If your father, what about you? What are you going to do? You don't drive. Your father provide food on the table. What are you going to do? What I needed you to do? I want to do more than better than my father. I want to do better than my parents. Okay? So everyone say, I want to do better than my parents. Let's go. Guys, you're not joking. I want to do better than my parents. Let's go. Okay, I want to listen to my teachers. Let's go. I don't want to play with best friends. Let's go. You are saying that. Listen, you are saying that. Make sure it's true. If you find a guy coming to you, you think he's mad. You guys are the problem. There's a guy coming to you, you think he's true. You know what I mean? He's true. You know what I mean? You have trainers, you have everything, you have watch. When you walk like this, you know what they say? It's not yours. I'm telling you. So now, guys, I'm sorry there's no time for that, okay? I appreciate you coming, okay? Anyway, for those people who listen, okay, you need to listen and put in practice, okay? It was a pleasure to meet you, and I always come say, the basketball team, I have something for you, so every basketball player you will come, okay? And all guys, I want you to thank these gentlemen, okay? Please, get up there. And also, I want to thank the head teacher, Wade. I want to thank you for allowing me to come to you. Can you clap it for the head? This very important guy, okay, this is very important to me, is a sir. If you didn't want me to come to this place, you can allow me to hear this. So whatever you think, you see him walking, thank you, say, bring a stand guy for us to listen. But if you didn't want me to come here, he said, no, I don't want you to come there. So I want you to thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. So guys, what I'm going to do with you guys, I need to stand up together. I'm going to have a picture with you when I'm here. It's a picture. So I'll remember. And this picture, do you know what's going to happen to me? Do you know what's going to happen to me? Do you know what is that? I will see you when you make it. Then I will remind you what you do now. I don't want you to drive like this. I want you to come back to your community. Okay? Let's do it. Can I have a picture of this guy? Okay, guys. I'm going to have a picture. I'm trying to tell you.